Qttb is already running, and I believe that this is just the beginning. In fact, I believe that this is going to be potentially a multi-day runner heading into the rest of this week. You heard that right, my friends. Now, today, we're going to be seeing Qttb under 3 different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing chaos breakdown. The what, we're going to do some stock analysis. The where, telling you guys where to get in and where to get out. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button, and now let's get to work. Now, oftentimes, when I make a video on a ticker which is already up, let's say 100%, 200%, people are like, oh, why would you even talk about a stock that's already up so much? Because it can continue going up. That's why. Are you an idiot? I mean, I don't understand, right? So many times people want to be early, right? They want to be early. But the problem with being early to something is the event may never happen, right? Imagine, and I always love to give it this example, right? Because back in the day, I used to always need to take the bus, right? So the best case scenario, if you're going to take a bus, is you see the bus coming, you see the bus is coming, and you run to the bus stop, and then you get on the bus, and the bus driver says, oh, okay, come on in, and then you go. That's the best case scenario. You know what the worst case scenario is? Is when it's your first time at a bus stop, you don't know if this is the right bus stop, you don't know if the bus is coming, you don't know what time the bus is coming, you don't even know if this bus even runs anymore. That's what a lot of you guys are anticipating when you're like, just be early, bro. Just tell us how to be first. Just tell us how to be early. There's a lot of money to be made from a stock that is already moving. Why? Because your entries and your exits, right? The where is going to be the most important part. The where is where the money is made. How many times have you already seen a stock be up 200%, but you manage to get a good entry, buy the right dip, and you've managed to bring in 20, 30%? Right? How many times have you managed to go ahead and lose money on a stock that's up 200, 300%? Because once again, your entries and your exits are what dictate whether or not you're going to make money or not. So let's get talking about Qttb. So first things first, this ticker is running based off of some solid news. They sold their phase 2 drug for $12 million upfront payment and also potentially $600 million in royalty collection fees, okay? So there's that. Now, I will tell you guys this, that this is a company right now that does only have a 5 million float, so it is extremely volatile as well. And one of my favorite things about this ticker is going to be the fact that it is it does have a very low overhead supply, right? It has a very low overhead supply. What does a low overhead supply mean, right? What does it matter? What this signifies is that it doesn't have a bunch of hyenas ready to go ahead and convert convertible notes or go ahead and convert warrants into shares and go ahead and actually just dilute the stock over and over and over again. This is so important. This is the #1 cause of death when it comes to so many tickers that are running. It's the fact that the company has already done a fundraising, the company has already sold shares into, whether it's, freaking investment firms, whether it's banks, whatever it is, and they have now access to these shares that they can go ahead and they can add to the markets for an extremely low cost, and they can go ahead and actually, dilute the hell out of you guys as the stock is as the stock is moving to the upside. But that's not the case when it comes to Qttb. Another reason I like the company is that it has a over 60% institutional ownership. Its chart looks beautiful. This is a dream setup, my friends. I'm telling you right now, this ticker can get going and it can really get going, especially the fact that it broke above the $5 levels. Now, we do already have a position on it at $4, so maybe I'm a little bit biased, but that position, we're already up 20%. I'm probably going to go ahead and close a third of our position, give or take, on this ticker. This was a really good day trade, which we took, guys, from the pre-market holding into these hours. And, I think that this is a ticker which I'm going to let cook, at least with a portion of my portfolio. I'm going to let cook for the rest of the week because I do see it testing potentially the $6 levels from where it's sitting at right now, okay? Now, look at it. It looks like it's trying to kind of go ahead and break above this this $5 levels, give or take. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens. But I do think that, again, right, this is one of those tickers, man, which once it gets going, and there's no holding it back. And it does have a massive short interest as well, meaning that it has, look at it, wow, beautiful, squeezing to the upside. Mwah! This is what I'm talking about. Now, guys, I'm going to go and trade with the community. But listen, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, because I got to kind of alert that we got to take profits over here, right? If you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, get access to my exact entries, my exact exits, know when I'm buying, know when I'm selling, everything like that, check out our private community right now. We have a massive sale, a 50% sale for the next 10 members that join. Let me just show you what it looks like. We give you everything. We give it a ticker, we give it an entry, we give it an exit, we give it a stop loss, we tell you how many shares to buy. Every single thing is given to you guys on a freaking silver platter. We already have over 400 members plus coming back month after month, and they're killing it. Jim B. Goose says 5 days into the 14 days. This is literally a couple days ago. He says 5 days into the 14 days free trial, and the Discord cost already paid for. I've only been here trading the swing alerts, or else it would take a lot more if I had the time to also day trade. Or else it would be a lot more if I had also. Thanks, Sam, and the amazing team you put together. Been in a few servers in my life. The rest don't even fucking compare. Not just the trade quality, but the mentors actually care about you making money. Stop slacking and try to free trial. Least I could say after all the bread this place has made me. Beautiful. CMCT, we made a kill on it. Also, this, listen, I mean, I'm just going to flex on you real quick out of quality of trade. So we said buy SOUX at 17. Look at this. It's running, baby. Let's go. SOUX is at 18 right now. Okay, so already green on it, and it was at 20 just a couple of days ago. All right, just for pointers. CMCT. Okay, let's take a look at CMCT. So CMCT, we said buy. These are swing alerts, mind you. CMCT, we said buy it from 280 to 360. Stop loss at 255. Okay, let's take a look at CM. We said stop loss below 255, right? Remember that. Important. Look at this. Came down to 256. So 2 cents from our stop loss ripped all the way upwards of $4 and freaking 50 cents. Right now it's at $4.20. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so there's a reason why people are coming back, man. It's because they're making money, right? Honestly, like that's what's happening over here, right? People are making money. Jamie says, I joined after getting burned in Moon Market Discord from a pumping number about 5 months ago. Easily best decision I ever make. You working all the time. $25,000. Lily didn't kill herself says, this community changed my life. The few thousand I made here this month did not. But getting out of my losing streak, I won't feel like a damn gambling habit did. Like Sam says, trade the best, leave the rest. And that's exactly what this community has been. Only quality trades thanks to these are the other mentors alongside myself. I'm not going to go through all these, but 4K in 5 days, beautiful. Give it a shot. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Next 10 members, 50% discount. Why next 10 members, 50% discounts? Because we want to reward the action takers, not the procrastinators. I'm the guy that says, Sam, I want to join, but I got to talk to my wife, so my wife can ask my wife needs to ask her boyfriend to see if I can join or not. Dude, give it a shot, okay? What do you have to lose? Nothing. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Anyways, thanks for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.